Best Windows AC. Number 5. Amstrad 1.5 ton 3-star Windows AC. Approx price 29,990 rupees. 1.5 ton 3-star Windows air conditioner with auto swing. Suitable for medium sized room. 180 square foot. 100% copper condenser. Dirty filter alarm. Warranty 1 year on product and 5 years on compressor. Number 4. Chroma 1.5 ton 3-star Windows AC. Approx price 26,990 rupees. Capacity 1.5 ton, suitable for 120 to 180 square foot sized rooms. Energy rating 3 star. SR value 3.09. Annual energy consumption 1253 units. Cooling capacity 5000. Voltage 230 volts AC. Frequency 50 Hz. 100% copper condenser and evaporator coil. R32 eco-friendly refrigerant gas. Warranty 1 year on product, 1 year on condenser, 5 years on compressor. Number 3. LG 1.5 ton 4-star dual inverter Windows AC. Approx price 29,950 rupees. Windows AC with inverter compressor. Capacity 1.5 ton, suitable for medium sized rooms. 111 to 150 square foot. Energy rating 4 star. Best in class efficiency. Annual energy consumption 1213.33 units. SR value 3.26. Copper with ocean black protection. Warranty 1 year on product, 5 years on PCB and 10 years on compressor with gas charging. Number 2. Lloyd 1.5 ton 5-star Windows AC. Approx price 28,490 rupees. Lloyd Windows AC with non-inverter compressor. Capacity 1.5 ton, suitable for medium size rooms up to 150 square foot. Energy rating 5 star. Annual energy consumption 1141.03. SR value 3.36. Blue fines evaporator and condenser coils. 100% inner grooved copper tubes. Refrigerant R32 refrigerant. 59 kg net weight. Warranty 1 year on the product and 5 years on the compressor. Number 1. Voltage 1.4 ton 3-star fixed speed Windows AC. Approx price 24,990 rupees. Split AC with inverter compressor. Capacity 1.4 ton, suitable for medium sized rooms up to 150 square feet. Energy rating 3 star. Annual energy consumption 1101.55 units. SR value 3.92. Stabilizer free operation. Copper condenser coil. Refrigerant gas R32. IDU net dimension 30 by 84 by 96. Warranty 1 year warranty on the unit and 4 years warranty on the compressor. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.